Hello everyone and welcome to Horizon Private School training videos. Today we'll be talking about ExactPath. Remember, ExactPath is a learning tool for students from grade 2 to grade 11 for English and math. We do advise you to work every day around 10 to 15 minutes on ExactPath or once a week for an hour. It is extremely important for your child to practice ExactPath in order to improve his or her skills. So how do I log in? First, I search for ExactPath and go to login.edmonton.com. Click in login. I go to Google. I type in my school email and password. And this is what I will have. This is my math. Click on math. I can change by clicking here. And then English. So I can go back home and click on any one I want. Assignments is where I'll find all the assignments. Usually for ExactPath, we just work on whatever we have in our learning path. It's important to go to learning path unless your teacher assigns something for you. So learning path is it's what I'm going to practice without waiting for my teacher. Assignments, if my teacher gives me something specific. What do I do when I want a learning path? I click on lesson 1 and I start. And then each lesson has the explanation, practice, and quiz, if you can see. I can move between math, language, and reading. The more I practice, the better I will be. Thank you very much.